Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and studying well. So, let's start. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about a new chapter. Chapter number 12, Objects in Motion. So, what is motion? The word motion means anything that is in movement or anything that can move. So that is considered to be as a motion. So motion is of different types. But before understanding the types of motion or about motion, we'll need to know about what is rest. Because if we'll know about the rest position, then it's be very easy for us to understand motion. Rest means any object that does not change its position with respect to a fixed object with time, it is said to be at rest. If any object that do not change its position with respect to the time or with respect to any stationary object, that thing is considered to be in rest. Like we can say that the tree in a garden is be at a rest position. Okay, if there is any bench close to the tree and any person is sitting on that bench, is also be considered as in rest, because there is be no change in the position of that person as compared to the tree. So it means any person, because we are saying the living things can move, but if we are not changing our position as compared to the stationary object, so we are also be considered in rest. Fine. So let's discuss this example here. So in activity 1, here's be given, we'll just have to take a one ball and we'll just have to place that ball just close to the blackboard, okay, the wall near the blackboard. And the rest of the things in the classroom, means the like teacher table or the benches of the students, they are all be as a stationary. So after some time, what we'll do, we'll just push a little bit force on the ball and the ball starts moving. And after some time, what we'll notice, that the distance between the ball and the blackboard wall is be just increase. So it means in this case we can say that the ball is in motion and the rest of the objects are at rest. So this way we can just find out by the change in the position of the object with the stationary object as compared with the stationary object, we can easily identify that the object is in motion. Or just to check the motion of any object, we'll need to compare that object with the stationary object or the object that is be fixed on their position. Okay, so in this activity we can easily find out that the ball is in motion and the rest of the objects in the classroom, like the benches of the student, like the teacher desk or the blackboard or the walls, they are all be stationary because there is be no change in their position. Fine. Thank you and have a nice day all.